What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just a quick analysis here of Gala Games. I've noticed bullish reversal pattern. So we're sitting at 29 cents. We're up about 3% on the day. We're sitting a market cap of 2.05 billion. 24-hour volume 986 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So I've noticed here on the 4-hour that we have a beautiful falling wedge pattern. And we're just currently testing it. We're actually breaking out just a little bit here. We do have the EMAs coming in as resistance. We're just about to print the bearish cross, but we are quite low. We've come all the way back down here. You can see we had a bearish divergence, higher highs, lower highs, and we've come all the way back down towards oversold, and that is usually when you're going to see a bounce, as well as the money flow is in the floor here, and we're putting in that beautiful inverse head and shoulders. We've had two entries. We had one here, which is where our previous break even was at 34 cents, and then we entered again here at 30 cents. So our break even is 0.325. So we pop over to the daily, guys. You can see we're beautifully, we're beautifully holding the support of the 20 EMA. The bears tried to push the price underneath the 20, but the bulls pushed it right back up. And we're putting in our inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We got back above the EMAs and we're currently retesting them. So as long as we can hold support here, guys, we hold this level of support and we can come back up. We're back above the EMAs. We've had our back test, which is an early indication of a massive pump to the upside, just as we did here. We came up, we back tested the EMAs, and then we broke out. Massive pump to the upside. So we came up, we're retesting the EMA, so we need to get back above the 55, put in that right shoulder, and that's when you could see that massive breakout here for Gala Games. Now we do have the Fed meeting coming up in just about an hour or so, so we'll see how that affects the markets, guys, and that would bring you all the way up to 92 cents and break the previous all-time high. Because if we lose this level of support, guys, this is our very strong level of support for Gala. Your next support is all the way down here at 22 cents. I don't think it's a likely scenario, but it's always a possibility. Bitcoin has broken out of this symmetrical triangle here, and we're currently backtesting as support. So what we want to see is we hold the EMAs and we don't just fall back into the pattern. Because if we just fall back into the pattern, then it was just a bit of a bullish fake out. However, guys, you can see the short positions getting liquidated like crazy here, but we are seeing a bit of drop off in the longs as well. So we have to hold this level of support for BTC. If we just fall down into the pattern again, then it was just a bit of a bullish fake out. All right, guys, but we are back above the EMAs. So that's basically it for our friend Gala Games. Just watch this falling wedge pattern. If we do break out, your technical target is up at about 37, 38 cents. And then watch that inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Let me quickly pop open the indicators for Gala. Let's money flow, relative strength, see what we're looking at here. So yeah, so we came up to the top section. We're seeing a bit of retracement here on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. And you can see here as well on the 4-hour, we actually have a bullish divergence on the money flow. We created a lower low while creating a higher low on the money flow just a little bit here. So hopefully what we see on the MACD as well is we start to curl up. We have the bullish cross and we can get back above the EMAs for Gala Games. This is our strongest level of support, guys. It can't be broken, or we're coming all the way down to about 22 cents. For Gala. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000, almost 2,000, 1,800 members. It's the price of a coffee, $350 USD. We're talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you want a dollar cost average into your positions. Price of a coffee, $350 USD. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care. Peace.